Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for the Journey. Hope you are doing well. I am Jin and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today is a makeup review video. So I have tried a few new and some recently launched makeup products. So I thought okay, this is the perfect time to share a review about those. So let's get into the review video without any further delay. I have a recently launched foundation with me, so many of you asked me to review it. So I'm here with the review of the recently launched Tipsy Beauty Foundzilla Flex. So this is not a foundation, not a concealer, but both products in one single bottle. So they say it is a 3-in-1 product. It is a foundation, concealer, and an SPF. So it also has SPF of 30, and this Foundzilla Flex comes in 20 different shades. So if you're even deeper than me, you can definitely find your perfect match in this, which is something great from a homegrown Indian brand. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a frosted glass bottle packaging, and it also comes with 2 applicators. Let me just show you. So first is you open your cap, you will get a pump applicator, so you can use it as a foundation. Next, you can also use it as a concealer. So once you open this cap, you will have this concealer wand. So this will help to spot conceal, or you can apply it specific areas wherever you need a much more coverage and build it up to almost full coverage. So basically this is in the shade 17, which is Tan Deep Warm. So this is like almost a perfect match for me, just a slight undertone difference. Otherwise it's just a so perfect match for me. So this foundation is very lightweight. As you can see, it blends like a dream. It provides medium to buildable coverage. So as I say, first with foundation I could build it up to good medium coverage, and my base looks absolutely so good. So wherever I have hyperpigmentation or wherever I have dark spots, I can use the concealer wand specifically on those areas and then just blend it with a makeup brush or a beauty blender. So the base looks super flawless, super lightweight, comfortable, and it provides a slight dewy finish. So it's great for all skin types as well. It isn't too matte, it isn't too dewy, it's somewhere in between, not skin like but slightly leaning towards dewy side. This one product you will be good to go for an everyday base makeup because it's just so good. You have variety of different shades, and I really love how lightweight yet almost full coverage, not completely full coverage, it's almost full coverage, and I really love the finish and the performance as well. So you can definitely give this a try. This foundation would get a complete 10 on 10, and it's worth every rupee you pay. Next, I have a blush. So already I've used it in one video, so I thought okay, let's just give a proper review for it. And this is from Mars Cosmetics. It's their Blush Hour Twilight. So I have picked the shade Twilight. It's number 2, and it's a very beautiful peachy coral blush. So usually our dusky skin tones usually use pinks or reds or purples as a blush, but this is a beautiful peachish coral shade that looks so gorgeous on our brown dusky skin tone. Even if you're slightly deeper than me, it looks so beautiful on you. So it's a cream blush, and it provides a good amount of pigmentation, and at the right amount. It's not too pigmented or it's not too less pigmented. So it's somewhere in between where the blush needs. So let me just show you how it looks like. So this is the shade to Twilight, and can you see? It is such a beautiful coral peach shade, and I absolutely love how it looks on my skin. It just blends like a dream. You can even use your fingers to blend in, and it just provides a beautiful flush of color. Can you look at that? It just blends in seconds, super easy, super quick, and it looks so good. It also does not provide complete matte finish. It is like a mix of matte and dewy, like skin like, so it looks absolutely gorgeous. Overall, this blush gets a 9.5 on 10, and it's gonna be in my favorites as well. Next, I purchased this face palette from Swiss Beauty, which many of you asked me to try. So this is their Chickaboo Contour Blush and Highlight Palette. So I picked the variant 3. So this is the deepest variant from the range. So this has a contour shade. It's not a bronzer shade. It has a slight cool tone to it. It's a contour shade, a beautiful pink blush shade, and a rose gold kind of an highlighter shade. So specifically the pigmentation are damn too pigmented, so be careful how much you use it. So when you pick it in a brush, there is definitely a kickback, so just tap it away and then you can go on with your application. Otherwise it will turn patchy or it will just spread all over your face. So as you can see, I've used a contour. It provides the right amount of pigmentation, but be very careful how much product you pick on your brush. So even the blush also looks so beautiful. So on top of this peach blush, when I applied it, it looks so beautiful. Even without any cream blush, this provides a damn pigmentation, which I really love. And this highlighter, I haven't used it on my skin right now, but this is how the highlighter looks like. Can you see? It's quite creamy, it's blendable, so it has a very blinding highlight. So it looks so gorgeous on a brown skin tone. And if you do not have that oily skin and you want a beautiful highlighter, so this is really good. I will definitely try it in another day and I will show you how it looks on us. So this is how the palette looks like, and overall it's really good. So for now I would give it a 8.5 on 10. Next, we have most of the lip products. So first, I'm just going to speak about a newly launched lip tints. So I have two lip tints with me today. So first one is this from Matte Look Cosmetics. So this is their recent launch, and I just can't tell you how beautiful and gorgeous the packaging is. I really love this metallic coated packaging. I just keep on seeing on my mirror how beautiful this packaging looks. It comes in three shades: Rio Red, Turkish Pink and Indian Rose. So first one is this Rio Red. It's a very beautiful red shade that flatters on every skin tone so well. And these lip tints, the texture and the how it feels on my lips reminds me of the Mars Velvet lip tint. But I'm not sure if it's both the same, but this feels like that whenever I apply it on my lips, because it's very lightweight, almost watery, but it has damp pigmentation. So it's just so good. And even if you wipe it off, the tint stays behind, and it also works on our two-tone pigmented lips, which I absolutely love. So if you ask me, if you are deeper than me or if you're around my skin tone, I would suggest you to try the Rio Red and Turkish Pink. If you are around fair to medium to slightly tan skin tone, you can try the Indian Rose shade. So all these three are really good, and my favorite, I don't know, because I use all three and I really love both of the. Most of time I use these two. Sometimes, like whenever I use a lip liner, I can use the third shade. So overall it's just really good, and I would rate it a 9 on 10. As I spoke about a lip tint, I also have to speak about another lip tint that I recently tried. It is again from Tipsy Beauty. It is none other than this Glacier Glow lip tint. So I picked the shade Polar Pink, and that's what I'm having on my lips right now. And I'm absolutely in love with this formula. So the packaging itself super luxurious, right? So the applicator, I have one con about it. So when you just open it each time, there's a lot of product on the applicator. So I just wipe it off on the sides, and then I would use it to give that even look. So this applicator has a beautiful metallic ball in between. So while applying, it feels so soothing and cooling on your lips, and the pigmentation is just top notch. If you have two-tone pigmented lips, this Polar Pink is such a beautiful shade that flatters on every deep brown skin tone so well. So you can definitely give this one shade a try. It's really good, super pigmented, and even after you have a meal or even after you wipe it off, there's a tint behind, and it does not feel drying at all, which I really love. So as a tint, and it also provides a glossy lip look, which I really love. So overall it's really good. If you feel kind of pricey, you can skip this, but if you want to try a good lip tint which is quite long lasting as well, you can definitely give this a try, and this would get a 9.5 on 10. Next, they have a lip gloss. It's not a lip gloss, it's a lip gel, which I really love. If you love the glossy lips like me, then this newly launched Maybelline Lifter is a must try. And especially this shade 7007, it's called Vanilla Horchata. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is how the shade looks like. It's beautiful. It's like caramel brown shade that looks so good. So if you use a brown lip liner and then this lip gloss, it's going to be the most beautiful everyday brown lips for a brown dusky skin tone. It looks so good. I really love the shade, and the pigmentation, it's not too pigmented or it's very not sheer pigmented. It's somewhere in between, like 20 to 30% pigmentation on your lips. So it looks so good even if you have two-tone pigmented lips. But if you are not a pigmented lip gloss lover, you can try such transparent lip gels. But if you love that glossy glass-like shine, and if you don't want much pigmentation in your lip glosses, this is the one for you. It's a lip oil but in a gel format, so it's just so good, super unique, and this applicator is really good. You can just twist it once and then you can apply it. It has this silicone applicator which makes it super easy to apply it on your lips. It's just so good. I really love this one, especially these brown one. I'm super in love with it. So for the price, you get a good amount of quantity as well. So you can definitely give these a try. This would get again a 9.5 on 10. Next, I have two lip products from Nykaa. So this one is a new launch. So first, let me speak about this. So this is called the Nykaa Lip Grip, and I have the shade Fetish. So this is like a transfer-proof lip gloss formula. So I've been collecting transfer-proof lip glosses formula to make an overall makeup comparison video with it, like a makeup battle video. So this, I love the packaging. I love how sleek and beautiful it looks. This shade Fetish is a beautiful purple shade that looks so good on our dusky skin tone, and it flatters so well. Even if you are deeper than me, this shade is going to suit you. The only con that I see about it is the shade range is very less. So I guess they have only 5 to 6 shades, and only 3 shades suit our deep dusky skin tone, and others are all for like fair, medium and tan skin tones. So this particular shade is very beautiful shade, and I really love the formula. And it is also slightly tacky as a Maybelline Vinyl Ink one, and this one feels very lightweight. I couldn't feel that I'm wearing something on my lips, but this takes more time to set as a transfer proof lip gloss. So make sure to wait before, like at least 5 to 10 minutes you have to wait. If you press your lips, it's gonna turn out a mess. So be careful with that. Otherwise, it's a good formula, decent buy I would say, and I would give it 8 on 10. Lastly, this is one of my favorite lip products. So this is the Nykaa Lip Pot. So this is called Whipped Blush Pot, and this is in the shade Blush and Win. So this is a beautiful, cute little packaging, and this shade looks so good again on any skin tone. Even if you're deeper than me, this is gonna suit you so well. It comes with a silicone applicator, but I did not buy it, so I use this with my fingers, and you can see the pigmentation is just on point. I really love how it looks. It provides a blurred lip look, which I really love. You can also use it as a blush just with your fingers. You can blend it and you'll be good to go. I really love how multi-purpose, how pigmented and how blurry it looks. It really looks so good. So I am really in love with it. Even without makeup, this looks so good. You do not need any lip liner, nothing. You can just apply this as a lip and a cheek tint and you'll be good to go. It looks so good. It's slightly transverse, but it is long lasting. So it provides a very beautiful tint kind of a finish, which I really love. And overall, it's just a very beautiful product. This would get a complete 10 on 10. That's it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I will leave all the product details in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. And until next time, bye bye.